Ladies and gentlemen, Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2008 Tundra SR5 5.7 liter V8. Beautiful, beautiful condition, finished in radiant red with graphite interior. You can see it does have a lift kit. Tires, excellent shape. Wheels, nice. Paint, nice and shiny. No dents, scratches. This truck has 3 owners, 88,000 miles. Definitely not used for commercial use. You can see the interior. Seat surfaces are in excellent shape. Center console on these trucks usually pretty beat up, but not in this vehicle. All of the dials, upgraded head unit. Dashboard, excellent shape. Headliner, non-smoking car, no strange pet odors either. This is the extended cab. See the back seats as well, nice shape. Power heated exterior mirrors, sliding rear window with privacy glass, rear under seat storage box, bed liner, nice shape as well, factory Toyota. Exhaust tip by Valor. Floor mats, SR5 package, 50 state legal. You can see down here, it's no rust. I'm gonna try and get a shot of the undercarriage for you. Running boards, about 112,000 miles, good service history. Driver's door, also excellent shape, all of the buttons. The seat too, very, very nice. Steering wheel. We will start it up for you real quick. Headlights, crystal clear. Front bumper, really nice shape. .7 liter iForce V8. 381 horsepower, 400 pounds of torque. We're looking for a super clean truck. This is it. Trying to get under there for you guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helps in your decision-making process. But if you're looking for a really nice two-wheel drive Tundra, beautiful shape, nice little lift, give us a call, 858-382-1319. It's 858-382-1319. This won't last long.